Hi, I'm Ron Williams, and welcome. For over 20 years now, I have worked our industry all over the world, creating abundance and success. In fact, recently I just finished serving as the president of the governing body association that oversees our industry worldwide. And one thing I noticed consistently was how difficult it was to create a global opportunity. In fact, customs, immigration, rules, and regulation every time leaves at least half of the world behind. Well, right now, I'm pleased to announce to you the first time I've been a part of or seen an entire global address system at your fingertips day one. One product, one price, doctor formulated, seamless, patented, just hot off the press. You know, we're going to move money and commodity at record pace. So we know we can't control the global economy, and we have a hard time controlling our homeland economies. But together we can create and control our own economy and build business successfully and residually. Check out FG Xpress. Express yourself.